Merry Christmas from its first family to your family. It's been a wonderful year for me, and I hope it was the same for you. To get into the festive spirit, I have a Christmas makeover demo. In this video, I'll share how I turned this default KDE looks of EndeavourOS and gave it a Christmas makeover. You can follow the same steps on pretty much any Linux distribution with KDE Plasma Desktop. The package installation command may differ, of course. If you want to try these customization, do these changes on a virtual machine or make proper time shift backup. There is no magic reset to default button and you may have to undo each and every step on your own to go back to the default looks. With that aside, let's see how you can achieve this sort of customization. Let's start by getting a Christmas themed wallpaper. I'm using this one, but you may use any other wallpaper, preferably with red colored theme. Move the downloaded wallpaper to a separate folder for easy access. Next, open KDE settings, go to color and themes and icons. Here, use the Get New button at the top right. Search for Beautyline, click on Install to install Beautyline icon theme, and then select the Beautyline simple icon, which looks a bit curvy and sleek. We change the cursor to. In the cursor tab in Colors and Theme Settings, click on Get New, search for Night Diamond, and then install the red variant of this cursor theme. For this customization, we have created custom color schemes for console terminal as well as the KDE system. You can get them from our GitHub repo. There is an installer script that not only downloads these files but also places them in correct directories. Download the installer script, go to downloads directory, give execute permission to the installer script and run it. We have a few things so far, so let's get more by installing a few more utilities. On the desktop, right click and select Enter Edit Mode. Select Add or Manage New Widgets and then select Get New. This will open the widget install dialog box. Here, search and install the KDE Control Station widget. And then next, search for clock and install the Nemayon clock widget. We are not done yet. Get the panel colorizer widget and wallpaper effects widget the same way. In settings, go to window management and then select KWin script. Click on get new and search for clear K clear. Install the extension using the install button. And now let the customization begin. Go to settings, colors and themes and then into colors. Here, select the Christmas color scheme that we had downloaded earlier from this list and then press apply. In the icons tab, select beauty line icon theme and click apply. Similarly, in the cursor tab, select the night diamond cursor theme and click apply. Now go to the wallpaper location and right click and select set as wallpaper. Similarly, go to settings and then window management. Look for KWin scripts. Here, enable the clear KWin script and press apply. Now click on the settings button adjacent to the clear script and select an opacity level. Lower opacity means poor visibility, so choose an appropriate value by sliding the opacity slider. Once set, press apply. So many applications, so many apply because we had downloaded a lot of things earlier and we then applied these changes. Let's move further with the customization and open console terminal, click on menu, then configure and then configure console. In the profiles tab, set the Christmas profile as the default. Change the app menu next. Right click on the app menu on the panel and select show alternatives. From the list, select application dashboard. Next, right click on the desktop and enter edit mode. Select add or manage widgets button. From the list, drag and drop the Nemayon clock to the desktop. Adjust the position as you want. Next, let's add control station. Right click on the panel and select add or manage widgets. From the list, drag and drop KDE control station and then panel colorizer widgets to the panel. I placed them on the right side of the panel. You are free to place it wherever you want. Right click on the desktop and select Enter Edit Mode. Select Add or Manage Widgets again. And from the list, drag and drop the Wallpaper Effects widget onto the desktop. You can hide it later. Next, right-click on the Wallpaper Effects widget and select Configure Wallpaper Effects option. You can already see an effect is applied on the wallpaper. I enabled and applied the Hide Widget option to hide the widget from view. It is visible in the edit mode though. In the blur settings, change the enable status to always. In the pixelate effect settings, change the enable status to never. In the grain effect settings, change the enable status to never. On the top, change the blur radius to adjust the blur strength. Next, right-click on the Panel Colorizer widget in the panel and select Configure Panel Colorizer. From the preset, select one. Click on Load and then press Apply to apply that style. Right-click on an empty space in panel and select Show Panel Configuration. Here, reduce the width according to your display size and convenience and preference. Last change before we finish. Right click on the App Menu Dashboard button and then select Configure Application Dashboard. Click on the icon and select Choose. Click on the Browse button to select a file of your choice. From the file chooser, select the image file and click Open. Now press Apply to change the application dashboard icon. And we are done. That's it. Your KDE Plasma desktop now has a festive Christmas makeover, and it's yet another example of how flexible and powerful KDE really is when it comes to customization. If you enjoyed this customization, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Linux tips and customization in 2026. I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays and a wonderful Happy New Year in 2026.